So tonight, this is how it's going to be. Ta-da! What you want to tell me? Right by the sea again? You want the life? Come to Robertsport. I tell you for sure, you will enjoy every bit of your money. We have a bonfire tonight. Like, what more could a girl ask for out here on the Surfers Beach in Robertsport, sitting by the bonfire? What more? We have Eli. Eli is here making the fire for us.
Senior surfer for Liberia.
Okay, you heard him.
I'm the senior surfer for Liberia. I do surfing at Nana Lodge. We do our surfing I'm also a surf instructor because I started surfing since 2010. And so now I'm a surfer. When I was a kid, I used to win a lot of surf contests. And this is Robertsport. You guys are working on at any time. As you can see, we have a bonfire. We're making a really cool bonfire that people are gonna like it. So more people.
Serious thing for me,
More people coming to Robertsport, to our surfing lodge. But you guys come over to support the surf club, please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sure will do. And thanks for the fire. This is very beautiful. It lights up the place. Where is Mama? So I'm sitting here by the fire eating grilled fish. And you see Mama is here also. She now wrap herself up there at one. Yeah. Only because she said it's too cold for her right now. This fish is so tasty. It was also prepared by the lodge here. Isn't this amazing? These people have beautiful service here. I have grilled fish here that I'm eating with some pepper sauce, sitting by the bonfire, drinking some beer alone. Are you see my fingers though? Another beautiful part is that I'm camping by the sea in tents. This is my first time to camp. You want the life? Come to Robertsport. I tell you for sure, you will enjoy every bit of your money. Mama just sitting here drinking her lip, something in her black bottle. She want no cheers, Mama. I hear the song. Let me finish and show you guys the tents that I will be sleeping in here. On fire! I'm taking this out with the fish. This is what I have done. Let me take you guys to the tents so you get to see it. Hey, so I'm taking you guys to my tent now, where I will be lodging tonight, where I will be spending the night. Trust me, this is a beautiful experience. On the beach here, they have 2 guest houses right in this location. We have one called Facebook, which is owned by Mr. Vani Kiazulu, Mr. Kiazulu. And the price for a night is $40. Philip Guest House is here also. The price per night is $30. Yeah, so this is my tent for the night. You see what I have here? Okay. They gave me some designer bed sheet, y'all. You got Gucci, Chanel, everything going on inside here. Yep. Huh? My hair big that though. I'm telling you, this is my first time camping. So, if I don't have to, they can enter the player, y'all forget it, yeah? My hair, Man, everything will still go inside my head, my body, everything will still go inside it. Who even cares how you get it, whether on your head or your foot? At the end of the day, I inside my lay play. Can't be. Yeah. So this is it. So tonight, this is how it's going to be. Ta-da! What you want to tell me? Right by the sea again? Eh? As soon as I open my tent, I see the sea. Ah, that's what's up. This is like the icing on the cake. Topping everything of my trip. I love it. Edward, thank you so much for Mama. She came on the trip. Thank you so much. She extends her heartfelt greetings. And thanks, many thanks to all of my sponsors, everybody who made this trip possible. I say a big, big thank you. And after this trip, trust me, you are going to get great, amazing content. So, I'll still be looking onto you people for sponsorship. I know y'all will come true for me as I bring you people worthy content. So, like I said, Mama is here with me also. So this is Mama's tent. My tent is over there. I'm here with Mama. So we have like 3 tents here. One is for my team, the 3rd person on my team, or the 4th person, you know. I came with a whole team. And here is Mama's tent right here. On the other side is my tent. And let me give a shout out, a special and big shout out to Brahima, the manager of this lodge. This young man was very, very instrumental in having all of these things set up, from the bonfire to the tents to, you know, making me to feel at home while I'm away from home. He was very, very instrumental. So I must give it to him. He's a great manager. And to this entity, I just want to say thank you for hosting me. You know, I was offered grilled fish, very tasty. That's what I ate by the bonfire. And I have my tents. The whole vibe is just so cool. It's cordial, very friendly. So thanks to Brahima, he made it happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, and a big shout out to everybody. Thank you so much for the love and the support. I really appreciate you all. Thanks to my team. I love you. Thank you, Mama. I love you too. Without you on this trip, girl, she stole every. She was the star of the trip. I tell y'all for sure. Y'all watch, y'all will see Mama. I love you, baby.